Day 2 of trying to get the SER up and running again, and I was doing some research last night trying to figure out what could cause the transmission to get stuck in 5th gear. After looking on some forums, I found out that some cars have gone stuck in 5th because of a camshaft or crankshaft sensor going bad. So today that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be checking the codes to see which one is failing, and we will see which one it is. That way we can go from there and decide which sensor has gone bad. Hopefully it's not too many, and we can get it, and hopefully I can get it up and running today. If it's an easy fix, if not, then oh well. So we're gonna go ahead and hook up the scanner, which I got from AutoZone. It's a rental, 140 bucks. Seems pretty high, but consider the fact that you get your money back when you turn it in, that's not so bad. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it up and see what code pops up. I have already attached it from the top. I'll go ahead and screw it in, tighten it up. Easy peasy for the meantime. Set this box to the side. The dash. Alright. Go ahead and put the key in the ignition. Turn it to the on position. Well, not on all the way. Is it accessories or? I read the manual, but I had a tendency to forget stuff. I haven't really haven't used one of these before, so I'm not exactly sure. Turn the ignition key on. Do not start the engine. Alright, that works for me. So, on position then. On position. Alright. I'm gonna hook it right where to go, right there's where we're attaching it. See. There we go. Hopefully you can see something. There we go. I believe it's working now. Detecting protocol. Alright. Let's see. What does that say? We are gonna. Is it touchscreen? Definitely not touchscreen. Use arrows down. Or is it? Oh, there we go. Arrows down. Automatic. Enter. Yes. What do you know? Camshaft sensor circuit failure. Camshaft position sensor circuit bank 1. So that's one code, which is new. So that's the one I'm gonna be trying to replace today. If not, then tomorrow if I have time. Let's see what the next one is. Press any hotkey. Sure. Stored. Pending. Interesting. Alright, well, it's just that one sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and go buy it today, and by the time I get back here, it's probably gonna be dark soon, and I really don't feel like messing with the car after dark, but maybe I will. I don't know, depends. All I know is that if that fixes the problem, then cool, I'll be happy, and that way I can move forward and get the insurance back on this car, because currently has no insurance. I mean, why have insurance on a vehicle that's not moving? So I'm gonna have to get insurance if it does start working. That way I can actually drive it legally without worrying about it getting pulled over for no insurance. So for the brief moment, this is it for today. I'm gonna have to go and see how much the part is. I'll buy it, come back later today, if not tomorrow, like I said earlier, and then we'll see where we go from there. I'm really hoping that replacing that camshaft sensor gets the car out of its limp mode, save mode, however you want to call it, boring mode, because without that, the car's not really gonna move right. It goes in reverse pretty damn good, but as far as going in drive, yeah, no, not driving, no good, worthless, junk. I have to go get the sensor, replace it, then move forward. Hopefully the car will be up and running within this week, hopefully. That way I can return my mom's car, get my car running, and then start on the next item on my to-do list, which is replacing a side view mirror on my wife's car. So we'll see how it all turns out, really.